and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Daria. I'm an artist and I paint on clothes. And this is my mannequin. I named him Brett and he helps me to create art fashion. So guys, in this video I'm gonna customize t-shirt for Jasmine, Disney princess. Because it is fun and interesting thing to do to customize clothes for modern day Disney characters, and nobody have ever done this before. So I already created t-shirt for modern day Ursula and for modern day Vannelope. If you haven't watched these videos yet, check them out. I will put links to the description below. And by the way, this t-shirt is not of this series, but it is also a modern day Mickey Mouse, and it's a tribute to my favorite DJ, Avicii. So, Jasmine, what she would like to be painted on her t-shirt? I guess that she would love to get pet portrait painted on her t-shirt. Everybody loves pet portraits. I've made a lot of them before. And as we know, Jasmine's pet is a tiger. So I will paint tiger on t-shirt, and also I will paint Jasmine's palace, magic carpet, moon and stars. This t-shirt will be magical. And before we jump into the video, information for all my new viewers: t-shirt I will create will be washable because I will use fabric paints. And if you have never heard about fabric paints before, about painting on clothes, you can watch my educational videos. I will put links to the description below. So, let's get started. And first I will paint tiger, and tiger's name is Raja, by the way. And first I will sketch him, then I will paint with colors. And I will paint him lying, staring in front of him like he's guarding his owner. And by making this t-shirt, I want to show you the example of customization, because now if you will Google custom t-shirt, you won't see my videos, no. You will see a lot of websites in which you can customize your t-shirt by choosing templates and fonts. Nothing interesting. And I think that it's sad that nobody knows how custom t-shirt should look like. So I make these videos, I customize t-shirts for Disney characters, for celebrities. And I already have new idea for this video series. I want to create t-shirt for a modern day Maleficent, and it will be epic. Painting of pet portrait is finished, and now I will paint Jasmine's palace. And Jasmine's palace design inspired by the Taj Mahal. And it's interesting because Taj Mahal is in India and movie takes place in the Middle East. But I think that Disney just got inspired by the beauty of Taj Mahal, so they decided to create palace which will look like it. And I will paint it here, and I will paint it just with lines. I will use outliner to create volumetric lines, and I think that palace will perfectly complete this design. So let's continue painting. And first I will sketch palettes using brush, and then I will use golden outliner for palettes, silver outliner for moon, and purple outliner for magic carpet. And now I splatter paint to create stars. And painting is finished. I'm like a shooting star, I've come so far, I can't go back to where I used to be. This song is playing in my head for a couple of days now, new version of this song by Zayn Malik and Juvaya, and I just can't wait to watch a new live action movie by Disney, because Aladdin was one of my favorite films when I was a child, and it would be like back to the childhood for me, such feelings. So guys, even I don't look like a Jasmine like at all, I love this t-shirt. I just love it. And write me your thoughts in the comments below, write me your opinion, do you like this t-shirt, and smash this like button to support my art, share this video with your friends who love Disney, be active, and if I will see your response on this video, I will create t-shirts for all the Disney princesses. So if you are new here, subscribe to my channel to see these videos. And I hope to see you on the next video. Fashion is art. Bye bye. I'm like a shooting star.